Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but I am excited to return with clear, simple English lessons to help you speak and write with confidence. To start off, here are 5 common English mistakes many people still make and the correct way to say them. In many places, people use I am coming to mean I will be back or I am on my way. But in standard English, I am coming only means you're physically moving towards someone. If you are leaving or returning soon, you should actually say, I will be back. I will be back. Or I won't be long. Number 2 is using discuss about. Discuss about. Discourse already means to talk about something. So saying discuss about is incorrect. The correct form is simply we need to discuss the plan and not discuss about the plan. So it is very incorrect to say we need to discuss about the plan. Another mistake people make is saying enter inside. You see, words like enter and exit already contain direction. So when you say enter inside, that is already redundant. The correct thing to say would be enter the room, exit the building. Confusing borrow and lend. Borrow means to take something for a short while. Lend means to give something for a short while. So, you borrow from someone and then you lend to someone. For example, can I borrow your pen? I will lend you my pen. Number 5. Saying more better. Better is already a comparative adjective, so adding more is incorrect. Instead of more better, say this is better, or you say this is much better. These mistakes are extremely common, but once you know the correct forms, your English instantly sounds clearer and more natural. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple direct English lessons.
Grammar friends, let's learn and play. Noun, verbs, and adjectives every day. We'll read, we'll write, we'll learn with glee. Grammar fun for you and me. Let's explore, let's discover more. Grammar rules that we adore. From sentences to stories, we'll have a blast. Grammar fun for